This is a 2006 Honda Pilot, and the low pressure AC service port, the valve core has a leak. I have it filled. The cap is what's holding the Freon refrigerant now. So I got this tool from OMT, Orion Motor Tech, that allows changing of the valve core without losing the refrigerant. So this is how you're supposed to start. And I don't know if you can see, but if I turn this valve, you can see the bell valve move inside that lock. So what you do is keep the valve open and push this on, and once it locks in place, the freon is going to go up all the way. It's not going to leak from here. And then use this tool to position in place, and then latch on to the valve core and loosen it, and then you'll feel the pressure as it comes up, and then you pull it all the way up and then lock the tool in. So this way the freon is like sealed here, and then now you can remove this portion, take the bad valve core off, put a new one in, set it here, tighten it, get a good seal, then open the valve again, push it in. You'll feel some pressure of the refrigerant, and then once it's set, just pull it off and then just take it off. That's it. So that's what we're going to do now. Let's go. You can hear the leak. So it's latched in, and I'm going to go down. It's locked in now. I hear the click. See now the pressure, you can feel the pressure of the refrigerant. So latched in. Then we're gonna remove the valve core. Okay, now it's turning. It's off. So now all I have to do is lock it in. So I hope the valve core is here. There'll be a little bit of refrigerant at the top, and as you can see, here is the failed valve core. So I'm gonna come back with a new one. Let's take a look at the new one. Here's the new one on my right, and here's the old one. And I take that off. It's kind of like stuck. See, this failed. This is how it's supposed to look. Put the new one in place right there, and then we'll be back. Let's try to have it in place. It doesn't fall off. Going slowly. And tighten the top. See? Let's tighten and open the valve, and then you feel the pressure of it going down. And then I'm going to screw it in. Now it's all tight, and then I can't screw it anymore. So I release it, and then I don't have to lock this. Now that's it, and all you have to do is pull it up. Let's make sure the valve core is in there before I open that. So valve core is gone. Now I can take this up. We have the new valve core. It doesn't leak anymore. Perfect. And put the cap back on. Now this is good to go. The tool, let's take a look at the tool. This is from Orion Motor Tech, and I use this for the low pressure port. And here are the valve cores for different styles, and this is for the high pressure port, and the adapters for I think R1234 YF systems or R20, whatever that, two different options there. So worked great. This is my first time doing it, so surprised it took only a few minutes.